Here we are at the Minneapolis School of Flower Design. Bonnie, how's class going?
It's been pretty well so far. Learned quite a lot.
Yes, and you are now working at a flower shop in Minneapolis, right?
Yep, Bachman's.
And you are trying to hone your skills so they know you're a superstar, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because right now, what are you doing at that flower shop?
Right now I'm in the indoor greenhouse department.
Oh, it's crazy. She's so good. Show us, tilt that at the camera. She's working on her boho. Give me a little more right up in there. Over here. Give me your name and rank.
I'm Taylor Schultz.
And rank?
Of Bayport, Minnesota. I have a business called Hosted
Your
Hospitality.
rank is the top designer. How is this going for you today? Let's see. Pointing at the camera.
Just starting.
Good. Yep, more flowers, but good start. How is it going?
I'm doing great.
Let's see. Simple and chic. You need more up here. You need more flowers. Brides want a kick on their wedding day. We're at the Minneapolis School of Flower Design at Everflora. Yeah, I like it. Curly willow flying off their tables. All right, you three girls, come together and tilt them at the camera. Nice. Minneapolis School of Flower Design, flowerschool101.com.